Hello everyone, in this video compare Onshape Fusion 360 and SolidWorks. Onshape is a cloud-based CAD software that works entirely in the browser. It's great for collaboration because multiple users can work on the same design in real time. Onshape is ideal for teams that need easy access without installing software and one version control and cloud storage built in. It's good for mechanical designs, parametric modeling, but may have fewer advanced simulation features than SolidWorks or Fusion 360. Fusion 360 combines CAD, CAM, and CAE in one platform. It's versatile for 3D modeling, CNC toolpaths, and engineering simulations. Fusion 360 is suitable for both hobbyists and professionals, supporting parametric, freeform, and sheet metal designs. Its cloud features also allow team collaboration. Though it's slightly more complex to learn, SolidWorks is a professional-grade CAD software used widely in engineering and manufacturing. It offers precise parameter modeling, advanced simulation, and robust assembly management. SolidWorks is ideal for detailed mechanical and industrial designs and is best suited for professional engineers and companies needing high-precision design tools. In short, Onshape wins for cloud-based collaboration and ease of access. Fusion 360 wins for versatility in modeling, CNC, and simulations. SolidWorks wins for professional engineering, detailed assemblies, and precision. Your choice depends on whether your priority is collaboration, Onshape, versatility, Fusion 360, or professional-grade engineering, SolidWorks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.